once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to show you today, and I've had lots and lots of emails about this one, finally got around to doing it, how to cook or prepare Chinese sausage. You know, you get them in your Asian or Chinese stores. They're usually vacuum packed, and they're amazing things, very sweet, usually pork, in fact nearly always pork, like I've found. But they're really simple. You just need to boil them up a little bit, which we're going to do in a second. And then you can chop them up and cook them however you want. Put them in something, you know, like a stir fry or something like that. Anyway, enough chatting. Let's go do it. Okay, let's take a look at our Chinese sausage. So, loads and loads of different brands and different types of sausage. Like in the West, or, you know, certainly in the UK, we've got loads of different types of sausages. Generally, they're made of pork. They're usually quite sweet and a little bit smoky. That's the kind of general vibe, but definitely pork, definitely quite sweet. What we're going to do is we're going to get them open. We're simply going to boil them first. Now you can fry them if you want, but they're quite fatty anyway, so what I like to do is put them in some boiling water, cook them. If you wanted, you could be, while you're cooking your rice, you could be just putting them in while you cook rice, and they'll cook in with the rice, add a little bit of flavour to your rice. But if you want to use it for something else, and you can use it for anything, stir-fried rice, noodles, just on their own, anything you like, then you need to sort of cook them first, and then we can sort of chop them up if that's what you want to do. Let's get moving. Okay, so just unpack them. They're vacuum packed. Now they're more like a salami or a chorizo than a kind of regular European sausage, shall we say. You know, they're kind of quite hard, salami type. Really simply, I'm going to get them into some water, bring them to the boil, just cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes, then we can get on to the next step. Okay, so they're in some cold water. I'm going to bring that to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, 4 or 5 minutes, drain them off. We're ready to go. Okay, that's it. 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes of boiling. Out they come. Drain them off. This is still hot, but they're sort of, you can bend them a bit now. It's a little bit more cooked. They were rigid before. So that is it. Now you can eat them like that. You can slice them up, put them into stir fry, put them into fried rice, make a curry out of it. You can do anything you want with it, really, quite frankly. But that's it. Loads of emails about that. I'm going to cook these now, so there'll be a couple of recipes to follow. But yeah, lots of people sending me messages about how to cook or how to get Chinese sausage ready. And that's it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?